Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to simply update your Mozilla Firefox browser and check out the latest feature in your Firefox Mozilla browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Mozilla Firefox browser, just like what you see right here. Then having opened up your Firefox browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three slider, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Settings tab right here, click on Settings, and it's take you right here. Then under the General, you want to simply scroll down all the way down to where you see Firefox Updates. Keep Firefox up to date for the best performance, stability, and security. Here is the new Firefox faction, which is work with 64 bits of any, which is 64 bits of PC, and the version here is 135.0.1. Okay, now for you to check on what is new as far as this new update is concerned, right click on what is new and click on open in a new tab. Then in the new tab here, you see all the new release of Firefox. The new release as far as Firefox browser is concerned. Firefox release note. Release note tell you what is new in Firefox as always. We welcome feedback. You can also find a bug in Mozilla or see the system requirements of this release. You can scroll down right here so you can see the version 135.0.1 first offer to release channel user on February 18, 2025. These are what Firefox was able to fix right here. You can read everything right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on Restart to update Firefox and allow it to restart, and in a few seconds your Firefox should be fully up to date and ready to be used. And from there you can enjoy more security updates. You can see right here that Firefox is update. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply update Firefox Mozilla browser and how to know what are the new stuff that has been added in Firefox, such as security fix and bugs. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.